Hi everyone, welcome back to our tutorial video today. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. So if you want to access iCloud WhatsApp backup, how can you do? If you use WhatsApp, but you just want to delete your WhatsApp for some reason, but when you're trying to sign into your WhatsApp, you want your check and database, how can you storage on your iCloud? So I will explain clearly how to access iCloud WhatsApp backup. So you need to go ahead to your WhatsApp first. So just go ahead. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp account. And what I need to do is go ahead to your profile icon. And if you want to back up your chat, scroll down until you see chat. So under privacy and account, you will be able to see chat and make sure to check backups. So now you will be able to see your last backup was October 14, 2024. And if you want to backup now, just click backups. And also your data and conversation will be backup to your iCloud. So if you want to restore the backup, you uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall from the app stores, and you can signing back to your account, and you can see also your data will be stay here. So WhatsApp will download your backup from your iCloud, and it will also restore your important check. So that's how iCloud WhatsApp backup works, guys. As I mentioned before, actually it's quite easy, but you have to know one thing. Actually, in my WhatsApp, I only have 57.9 megabytes, so it's really few. If you have a lot of data and conversation, you also need to think about the storage, because if you have a lot of storage, more than 5 gig, you will not be able to do. So that's one thing that I want to remind you guys. So I hope this will help you a lot if you want to access iCloud WhatsApp backups. Thank you so much and see you back, guys.